Oh, I'm just going to do a quick video here. I'm just making a 48 pan. The cool flame one over here on the lift. Making it rideable, so basically finger fucking the entire bike. So he wanted a one-piece kicker arm, and the later style that was in there fit like absolute dog shit anyway, so figured I'd just show how I like to do it. So we're gonna go with the stock one-piece kicker arm setup. I had an original one, and the guy's cool, and he's a friend of mine, so he's getting it off me. So what I did to start, you want a nice clean surface. I took this, I flat filed it to make sure there weren't any edges on it. Then I vapor honed the whole thing, so I know I'm good. I should have shown this. I always like to start, no matter how good they fit, with a brand new set of bushings. There's 2 bushings that go in there, and then a seal that goes in between them in that gap in there. There's the seal right there. So what we're gonna do is, you can see if I put this in, I gotta use one hand here, but this goes in here, okay? Now you want a nice tight fit, but this is, it's too tight, it's binding, and this even, if you have it too tight, sometimes the spring will actually still work and make it return, but it actually makes the bike more difficult to start, and it'll drive you crazy. And you know that a lot of times these break, and I think if these are too tight, it's not helping the cause, because this is actually a really nice cover, right? But a lot of times these are broken inside, and you know, I want everything to be perfect. So the way I do it is you get it close. I don't need to ream this one. I'm just going to put it on the Sunnin, and this is the Sunnin hone, and basically these stones come in and out with this, and you run the machine with your foot, and now I can fit this to size, so this fits perfect and everything is operating correctly. Brand new bushings, nice clean shaft, honed fit. You just can't do better. This is the correct way to do it. So I figured I'd just make a quick one if I can get this thing to rest here. Okay. Okay, get our lube going here. Oh, mama, you never want to go in dry, do you? Maybe some of you filthy animals do, but I don't. Okay, put this in. Get it spinning here. Okay. A little bit of friction, not too much. Alright, where are you? Come on. There we go. You want to go in and out as fast as you can. It's not as important on a bushing like this, because it's not something that's spinning all the time like a motor component or something, but you still want it to fit as good as you can. Okay, so just getting a little bit in there. There we go. Oh, daddy. Oh. Oh. Oh, mama. There we go. You want it to be just the right size. You know girls lying to you about how big your dick is. Oh, it's the perfect size. Yeah, okay. I bet it is. Okay. Okay, that feels pretty damn good now. See, no friction, nice and smooth. Probably about a thou in there. No rocking. That's how you do it right there. Perfect. So after I get my thrush washer in there, this will be a nice perfect fit. No rock whatsoever. Nice and smooth. A lot of little things make a big difference.